Oh yeah, looking so good. There she is. The Butte. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle. If you're new to the channel, you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. If you're returning, thanks for coming back to the old Volkswagen build. It's been just over a week from the last video. Yes, it's been a long week. We've had a lot more customer cars and stuff going on with the gas station and getting that open that has taken a lot of my time. But she's back in the garage. I've been working on sanding her and doing some of that stuff you said. So let me do an overview of what I've done and some of the comments and things you guys have shared about the $50 paint job. And hopefully I can take the information and some of your abilities and knowledge and make it work for me. So here, let's turn around and get you an overview. Some of you have said there's been a couple people that have way more better skills on this bodywork stuff. As you can tell, I sanded it again and do more, and I need to keep filling this stuff. A couple of you subscribers or people that commented told me of different product I should be using, fiberglass reinforced and whatnot. That sounds way better. If I can get a hold of some, I might try to knock this down a bit more and try to use some of the fiberglass stuff. Some of you were sharing your thoughts about the tape, so I did go ahead and pull off all the tape. The tape did make the nice line we wanted where these holes are for where the trim piece goes and blocks it. So basically this line here and this line here needs to be good because those won't be covered by trim. But we did get the old paint off of that. I did peel it and then I cleaned it up. One of the things I have been doing is starting to make sure this edge is gone, or where the ivory is, and I'm kind of knocking down the first coat. So this is kind of what I've been working on right now. As you can see, knocking out, taking out lines, cleaning it, sanding it, the whole edge, make sure it's good to go. Taking out any spots on the side. Like here was a little divot or something, a run, maybe right there as well. I'm smoothing this up, it's way better. Some of this has the splatter. So I think the plan with the paint job, it's kind of hard to see, but there is some texturing there. So I think what I'll do next time I spray, I think my brother's going to be back in town, he can help me. We'll spray it with the can, and then we'll roll it on top of it as we're spraying. And I think that will help a ton. So I'm going to keep on sanding down. We got the first kind of sand down on the roller paint. You can see some of the texturing and knock down on that we've done. Trying to get that all cleaned up and washed off so it can get another coat. But it did get rained on, and the even with it being sanded, the water beat it up real well and ran down and did these channels and dripped out here, which is awesome. So I think what I'm going to do, make sure on the second coat I heavy this channel for the rain so that it will not rust and will help the rain to go down and drain off of the vehicle. Then go through and like reseal these cracks here. Let's see. So I think it's old filler of some sort to seal it. So I hope I can seal them again. If you have recommendations, like some of you've had with this body filler stuff, getting this stuff all fixed up and smoothed out a lot more, taking out a lot more of the dents to make it usable. So it is getting there. Work on sanding some more, and hopefully we can get it ready for the next coat, because I'm ready for it. Now that we got the window, we got the headliner, I'm ready to get the painting done and the bodywork done. Alright, here's an update. This is getting way better than this. So you have spots there. Let's see if I get that. See them? Little, there we go. Oh, focus right there. There you go. Spots. That's what I'm taking off. Now there's no spots. It's super smooth. Getting nice and cleaned up. Getting that line cleaned up so there's no weird lines there. Getting it all cleaned down so that we can put tape on the blue up with paper and finish painting the bottom, and then we'll reverse, put the paper on this line down with tape, cover up the bottom, and finish painting the top. So that's the progress there. Things are looking up. We'll keep on working on this. So shout out to all the body workers out there, because it's way harder than I thought, and it keeps taking more time. So I don't want to have repetitious videos of me body filling and sanding and body filling and sanding, etc., etc. You've seen a lot of that. So that is an update on the old Volkswagen. We haven't forgot about it. I'm going to work on it here tonight. I'm thinking about designing a shirt for this old Volkswagen. Do it for Mom. VW, Super VW, I don't know. Throw some ideas in the comments below if you have any ideas for me or something you guys might like that you would want or see me wear. There are a few parades coming up in the next few months. I would love to get it into the shape, good enough shape to make it look decent and take it through some of these parades. I think that would be awesome. And the ultimate goal is hurry up, get it done, make it look awesome, and we're going to ship it out to my mom and give it to her again. Yes. So thanks for tuning in to this episode, guys. I appreciate all of you. There's been a lot of growth and support in the channel, and I'm loving it. I enjoy doing the YouTube, and having you guys support, comment, like has been awesome. So I appreciate all of you. Till next time.